Conquer yard waste with the Earthwise electric chipper shredder. Tired of endless piles of branches and yard debris? Discover how the Earthwise GS70015 can transform your yard cleanup routine. The Earthwise GS70015 15-amp garden-corded electric chipper shredder is designed to make yard work easier and more efficient. This powerful tool helps you manage garden waste, create mulch, and keep your yard looking its best. This electric chipper shredder offers a planet-friendly alternative to gas-powered models. It's perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and gardeners looking for a reliable and eco-conscious solution. The Earthwise GS70015 boasts a robust 15-amp motor. This motor effortlessly shreds branches and sticks up to 1.75 inches thick, turning them into useful mulch. It features a chute and tamper tool for safe and easy feeding. The 1.2 bushel collection bin keeps your workspace tidy, making cleanup a breeze. Durable back wheels provide easy portability around your yard. The chipper shredder is designed for efficient composting, reducing yard waste volume significantly. Unlike gas-powered chippers, this electric model produces zero emissions. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice for your yard. Electric power also means less maintenance. Forget about oil changes, gas refills, or spark plug replacements. With your purchase, you'll receive the Earthwise GS70015 chipper shredder, a chute and tamper tool, a 1.2 bushel collection bin, and a user manual. Customers appreciate the Earthwise GS70015 for its ease of assembly and use. Many highlight its straightforward design and efficient performance. However, some users have noted occasional clogging issues. It's important to feed the machine properly and avoid overly wet or leafy material. One reviewer on Amazon praised its ability to reduce waste volume and produce mulch. Another user from Mexico lauded its excellent performance and cost-benefit ratio. Pros: powerful 15-amp motor, safe chute and tamper tool, convenient collection bin, portable design, and eco-friendly operation. Cons: corded design requires an extension cord, and it's not ideal for branches thicker than 1.75 inches. Ready to upgrade your yard care? You can find the Earthwise GS70015 on Amazon. Check the product page for the latest deals and availability. The Earthwise GS70015 is a powerful, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for managing yard waste. Its strong chipping power, user-friendly design, and included collection bin make it a great choice for homeowners and gardeners. Don't let yard waste overwhelm you. Click the link to check out the Earthwise GS70015 on Amazon and take control of your yard cleanup today. Read customer reviews, compare prices, and make an informed decision to transform your garden maintenance routine.